Hey guys, welcome back to Yelan app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to use Bumble for beginners. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you start using Bumble? Well, in this case, I'm assuming you already created your account here and you're now ready to start using it. But then again, you're still confused. How do you use it? So let's go to open up Bumble here. So in this case, the first thing that you'll notice when you create your account in Bumble, they actually give you a short tutorial on how things work here. But then again, you might not got it in the first time, and you start wondering, how do you use it? Well, the main features here in Bumble is going to be the bottom five icons that you see at the very bottom here. You have your profile, for you, people, liked you, and chats. Now, in this case, the profile section here would contain information about yourself, like for example, your profile, your name, your age, and your current plan. Now, in this case, if you want to edit your account, you can go ahead and click on your name here. And from here, you could also click on your profile, click on edit profile. And you could go and start adding photos, you have the option to verify yourself as well, your interests and whatnot. So if you want to complete your profile here, you can go ahead and do that. So the more complete your profile, the more chances that you'll get more matches on Bumble. Now, in this case, at the top right here, you have your settings. So if you want to manage your chosen mode here, your snooze, incognito mode, auto spotlight, you can go ahead and change those. So there are a bunch of settings here that you could edit here. So you have the For You page here. Now, depending on how you swipe left and swipe right, the Bumble app itself would actually take in consideration that. So meaning, whenever you're swiping left or right, they would notice a pattern on your preferences on people that you want to meet. So they will give you different suggestions or recommendations that you might like with the profiles that are existing right now on Bumble. Now, in this case, at the top right, you have the option to basically get the For You, so how many people actually liked you. But you need to get a plan, upgrade plan here for you to start using it. Now, you also have the People section here. Now, under the People section, you should be able to start swiping left and right. So if you don't like the person or you're not interested in the person, you can go ahead and just swipe left. Now, if you're interested in the person, you go and swipe right here. Now, in this case, if a person or the profile that you swipe right here is actually a match, it will actually show you, or it's going to actually notify you that that person is actually a match. So, for example, you can go ahead and do this as much as you can. Now, if you want to scroll down a bit, you should be able to see the current information about that user, the interests, what they're looking for, in the About Me section. Now, if you want to change your preference, you go and click on the preference at the top right, and you have the option to change who you want to date, the age group, and distance, and the languages that you want to, or you are looking for. Now, also, you have the Like You section. Now, in this case, you need to have a plan or premium plan here for you to see all the people that actually liked you. Now, you'll have the option to basically see who actually liked your profile, who swipe right on your profile. So if you want to see people that like you before actually swiping right on them, you should be able to see them in here. Now, also the chat section contains your chats. So this actually will contain also the people that you've matched with. Now, at the top, you should be able to see the people you've matched with. So whenever you click on their profile, you now have the option to start chatting with them. Like, for example, setting a question and whatnot. There, you should be able to see their profile. So in this case, there's going to be a time limit on how long, or for when, or how long you should be able to start talking to them whenever you match with them. But yeah, so in this case, those are the basics on how to use Bumble here, and hopefully you will meet someone here. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to End of the Inspo. Thank you for watching.